Namaste, myself Dr. K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University, subject Animal Physiology and Endocrinology. And today we will discuss about the structure and regulation of the thyroid gland. The butterfly shaped thyroid gland is located just inferior to the larynx. Larynx समझते हो, voice box. It is composed of right and left lateral lobes, one on either side of the trachea, and they are connected by an isthmus anterior to the trachea. You can see into the given figure. About 50% of the thyroid gland have a small third lobe called the pyramidal lobe. It extends superiorly from the isthmus. The normal mass of the thyroid is about 30 grams. Microscopic spherical sacs called thyroid follicles make up most of the thyroid gland. The wall of each follicle consists primarily of cells called follicular cells, most of which extend to the lumen of the follicle. A basement membrane surrounds each follicle. When the follicular cells are inactive, their shape is low cuboidal to squamous, but under the influence of TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, they become active in secretion and range from cuboidal to low columnar in shape. The follicular cell produce two hormones, thyroxine, which is called tetraiodothyronine, or T4, because it contains 4 atoms of iodine, and triiodothyronine, or T3, which contains 3 atoms of iodine. T3 and T4 together are known as thyroid hormones. A few cells called parafollicular cells or C cells lie between the follicles. They produce the hormone calcitonin, which help in the regulation of the calcium homeostasis. Calcium homeostasis is regulated by the calcitriol C. Then action of the thyroid hormones. Because most body cells have receptor for thyroid hormones, T3 and T4 exert their effect throughout the body. Thyroid hormone increase BMR, basal metabolic rate, the rate of oxygen consumption under standard basal conditions, by stimulating the use of cellular oxygen to produce ATP. When the basal metabolic rate increases, cellular metabolism of carbohydrates, lipids and protein increase. कि थायराइड हार्मोन की सिक्रीशन जब इंक्रीज हो जाएगी तो बीएमआर आपकी इंक्रीज हो जाएगी, और बीएमआर इंक्रीज हो जाएगी तो आपका मेटाबॉलिज्म बढ़ जाएगा, जो कार्बोहाइड्रेट, लिपिड और प्रोटीन्स का. A second major effect of thyroid hormone is to stimulate the synthesis of additional sodium-potassium pump, which use large amount of ATP to continually eject sodium ions from the cytosol into the extracellular fluid and potassium ions from the extracellular fluid into the cytosol. ठीक, कि किसको स्टिमुलेट कर रहा है? सिंथेसिस ऑफ द सोडियम पोटासियम पंप. जो लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ एटीपी यूज़ करता है, किसके लिए? सोडियम आयंस को साइटोसोल से बाहर डालने के लिए और पोटेशियम आयंस को अंदर आने के लिए। एज सेल प्रोड्यूस एंड यूज मोर एटीपी, मोर हीट इज गिवन ऑफ and the body temperature rises. This phenomena is called the calorigenic effect. In this way, thyroid hormone play an important role in the maintenance of normal body temperature. Normal mammal can survive in freezing temperature, but those whose thyroid gland have been removed cannot. कि जिनका थायराइड ग्लैंड जिनके अंदर प्रेजेंट है वो फ्रीजिंग टेम्परेचर के ऊपर भी सर्वाइव कर सकते हैं, लेकिन जिनका थायराइड ग्लैंड रिमूव कर दिया गया है दे कैन नॉट सर्वाइव। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, इन द रेगुलेशन ऑफ मेटाबॉलिज्म थायराइड हार्मोन स्टिमुलेट द प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस एंड इंक्रीज द यूज ऑफ ग्लूकोज एंड फैटी एसिड फॉर एटीपी प्रोडक्शन। दे ऑल्सो इंक्रीज लाइपोलाइसिस एंड इनहांस कोलेस्ट्रॉल एक्सक्रीशन, thus reducing the blood कोलेस्ट्रॉल लेवल। ठीक है, कि जब थायराइड हार्मोन की सिक्रीशन ज़्यादा होगी तो वो कोलेस्ट्रॉल का सिक्रीशन एक्सक्रीशन ज़्यादा हो जाएगा और ब्लड कोलेस्ट्रॉल लेवल उसके अंदर कम हो जाएगा। द थायराइड हार्मोन इन्हांस सम एक्शन ऑफ कैटेकोलेमाइन, नोरेपिनेफ्रिन एंड द एपिनेफ्रिन बिकॉज दे upregulate beta receptors. For this reason, symptom of hyperthyroidism include increased heart rate, more forceful heartbeat and increased blood pressure. ठीक है। Next, together with human growth hormone and insulin, thyroid hormone accelerate body growth, particularly the growth of the nervous and skeletal system. Deficiency of thyroid hormone during fetal development, infancy या childhood causes severe mental retardation and stunted bone growth. जिनके अंदर इन्फेंट लेवल के ऊपर थायराइड हार्मोन का सिक्रीशन कम होता है, उनके अंदर मेंटल रिटार्डेशन और स्टंटेड बोन ग्रोथ हो जाती है। नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज द कंट्रोल ऑफ द हार्मोन secretion, thyroid hormone secretion. Thyroid hormone या thyrotropin releasing hormone TRH from the, you can see in the figure that thyrotropin releasing hormone TRH from the hypothalamus and thyroid stimulating hormone from the anterior pituitary stimulate the synthesis and release of thyroid hormone as follow. फर्स्ट पॉइंट कि लो ब्लड लेवल ऑफ T3 एंड T4 या लो मेटाबॉलिक रेट स्टिमुलेट द हाइपोथैलेमस टू सिक्रीट TRH, कि जब लो ब्लड लेवल हो जाएगा T3 T4 का या मेटाबॉलिक रेट लो हो जाएगी तो एक स्टिमुलेट हो जाएगा हाइपोथैलेमस, किसको सिक्रीट करने के लिए? TRH, थायरोट्रोपिन रिलीजिंग हार्मोन। सेकेंड पॉइंट, TRH enter the hypophyseal portal vein and flow to the anterior pituitary where it stimulate thyrotrope to secrete the TSH. ठीक है। Then the third point, TSH stimulate virtually all aspect of thyroid follicle cells activity including iodide trapping, hormone synthesis and secretion and growth of the follicular cells. Then at the 4th point, the thyroid follicular cells release T3 and T4 into the blood until the metabolic rate return to the normal. And then 5th point, an elevated level of T3 inhibit release of TRH and TSH. ठीक है, नेगेटिव फीडबैक इनहिबिशन। कंडीशन दैट इंक्रीज ATP demand, a cold environment, hypoglycemia, high altitude and pregnancy also increase the secretion of thyroid gland. Okay. Then the second, calcitonin. The hormone produced by the parafollicular cells of the thyroid gland is calcitonin. Calcitonin can decrease the level of calcium in the blood by inhibiting the action of osteoclast, the cells that break down bone extracellular matrix. Secretion of calcitonin is controlled by a negative feedback system. When its blood level is high, calcitonin lower the amount of blood calcium and phosphate by inhibiting bone reabsorption by osteoclast and by accelerating uptake of calcium and phosphate into the bone extracellular matrix. This is all about the structure of thyroid gland and regulation of the thyroid gland and action of the thyroid gland. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it.